A 400-year-old mechanical monk that still walks, prays, and crosses itself. How is that even possible? This is the Automaton Monk, built around 1560 for King Philip II of Spain. The king had a son who suffered a life-threatening fever, and he prayed for a miracle. When the boy recovered, Philip commissioned the finest clockmakers of Madrid to create this one-of-a-kind automaton as a tribute. Inside its iron frame, a complex system of coiled springs and precisely cut brass gears drives a 39-step walking sequence. The monk shuffles forward, turns its head, raises its arm, and brings a cross to its lips, all without human touch. Court records describe gear ratios that historians estimate were revolutionary for the 16th century. The mechanism still functions today, preserved in the Smithsonian. It's not just a toy, it's the ancestor of modern robotics, a 400-year-old proof that the dream of artificial life is older than electricity itself.